job.
हम्म।
Okay, and from here you can choose the like currency mode. In
हमने
that, like
ये
there's
जो
option.
अकाउंट है, ये मल्टी करेंसी मोड में क्विकबुक्स अकाउंट क्रिएट किया हुआ है।
ठीक है, तो
इसके
ये
अंदर आप कोई भी कस्टमर या वेंडर या कोई भी नया जीएल क्रिएट करते हो, तो आपको करेंसी केयरफुली सिलेक्ट करनी है। बाय डिफॉल्ट वही करेंसी आएगी जो आपने बेस करेंसी रखी हुई है। ओके, तो उसके अलावा आप मल्टी करेंसी यूज कर सकते हो। मल्टी करेंसी कब आती है? एम आई ऑडिबल ना प्रॉपरली?
हाँ सर,
हाँ, यू आर
परफेक्ट,
ऑडिबल.
हाँ।
परफेक्टली
ओके,
ऑडिबल।
तो मल्टी करेंसी पिक्चर में तब आती है जब कोई भी बिजनेस, इंपोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट का बिजनेस, मतलब कोई भी कंपनी इंपोर्ट या एक्सपोर्ट का बिजनेस करती है। जस्ट लाइक कि
We are
हमने,
on broad level.
हाँ, कि हमने कोई इंपोर्ट किया हुआ है यूरोप से कोई भी चीज, तो हमें जो वहां से बिल आएगा वो यूरो में आएगा या तो जीबीपी में आएगा। डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कंट्री और फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर परचेजिंग। हमने यूएस से कुछ मंगाया हुआ है तो वट एवर वो यूएसडी में हमको यहाँ पे आएगा। तो हमें सिस्टम के अंदर वो बिल हम यूएसडी में भी रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं। जो लैंग्वेज, जो करेंसी के अंदर इन्वॉइस आया हुआ है, हम वो करेंसी में बिल रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं। बिल मतलब अकाउंट्स पेएबल हम रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं। और
सर,
सिस्टम जो है वो अपने आप फॉर द स्पेसिफिक डेट एक्सचेंज रेट गेन कर लेगी थ्रू ऑनलाइन पोर्टल। और आपको प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, बैलेंस शीट या और कहीं पे भी आपकी बेस करेंसी में ही वो अमाउंट शो करेगी। एंड जब हम उनका पेमेंट करने जाएंगे, वेंडर का जब हम पेमेंट करेंगे, उस टाइम पे हमें वो अमाउंट बिल स्पेसिफिक जो करेंसी से डाला हुआ है वही अमाउंट दिखाएगा। जैसे कि हमने 7000 जीबीपी से बिल रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ है, तो हम कस्टमर को 7000 जीबीपी का ही पेमेंट करेंगे। और एक्सचेंज रेट बिटवीन, मतलब आता है तो होगा क्या कि बिल अमाउंट और पेमेंट अमाउंट वो दोनों सेम रहेंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ करेंसी। बट एक्सचेंज रेट जो रहेगा वो दोनों दिन का डिफरेंस रहेगा। तो जो दोनों का बीच का डिफरेंस आएगा वो जाके रिकॉर्ड होगा
And
एक्सचेंज
charges.
एंड गेन
Okay.
एट द बॉटम ऑफ पी एंड एल। ओके, तो वो चीज इसके अंदर आएगी, वो हम वर्कआउट करेंगे। तो राहुल, यू कैन कंटिन्यू विथ द
Okay.
कस्टम
So
क्रिएशन।
सर वैसे नॉर्मल ट्रेड प्रैक्टिस में यूएसडी यूज होता है ज्यादातर, वैसे जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ
हाँ,
मैं, मतलब।
यूएसडी होता
हाँ।
है, बट जब आप
अच्छा।
कुछ कंट्रीज है कि जहाँ से आप परचेस करते हो, तो जैसे आप चाइना से मंगाओगे, ठीक है,
हम्म।
या फिर कोई यूरोपियन कंट्री से कुछ मंगाओगे,
हम्म।
इवन आप ऑनलाइन कुछ परचेस करोगे,
हम्म।
अगर आईटी आईटी का बिजनेस है, आपको ऑनलाइन परचेस करोगे, तो आपको बट अभी जो बिल है उनका वो यूएसडी में ही आएगा। इवन आपके बैंक
हम्म।
अकाउंट में से ही यूएसडी कटेगा, फिर एक्सचेंज रेट होकर वो आईएनआर में आपको शो करेगा।
ओके। ठीक
ओके, तो दीज आर द थिंग्स, प्लीज। और
ठीक है.
ये है
uh,
कस्टमर कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं वो बता रहे हैं हमें राहुल जी।
ठीक है, तो then we can choose any title over here. Then what would be the first name, वो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. First name. Let's continue with the Abhishek's name.
हाँ, अभिषेक। ओके, मतलब अभिषेक के नाम से बना रहा है। ओके।
Okay.
यस सर, यस सर, आई एम देयर, आई एम देयर।
ओके।
And then what would be the middle name we gonna add over here. And then जो भी कंपनी का नाम है, XYZ कंपनी कुछ भी, we are going to add over here. And then जो भी अभिषेक का मेल आईडी है या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मेल आईडी है, we gonna put over here. And then what would be the telephone number, anything else we gonna record over here. And then the address, ये ABC स्ट्रीट करके I'm gonna use it. then city would be any city. We can say Texas. State, anywhere. You can pick any state. Let's go ahead with Florida. Zip code would be anything. And for US, there are just 5 digits of zip code. So country would be US. So we can either choose, if the shipping address and billing address is different, then we just gonna use it. If we will put it manually, or if the address is same, we gonna say do it same as billing. Hopefully you people got understand. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
हाँ हाँ, आप हिंदी में कन्वर्सेशन कर सकते हो।
Yes, Rahul, you're audible.
ओके, एंड देन हम यहाँ पे चूज करेंगे कि हमें कौन सा लाइक पेमेंट मोड हमें कैसे क्या रखना है, कि हम उसको कैश में रखते हैं, हमारा चेक इन अकाउंट से हम करते हैं, या क्रेडिट कार्ड के थ्रू हम यूज करते हैं। एंड देन द पेमेंट टर्म्स जो भी है हमारी, दैट वुड बी नेट ऑफ डेज हमारी, कि हमें कितने दिन की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी हमारी इनवॉइसिंग पे है जो हमें पेमेंट करनी है। तो वी कैन चूज नेट 15 days, and then you can choose here, use the company as default. देन लैंग्वेज, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर जो भी आपको लैंग्वेज में इनवॉइस चाहिए वो आ जाएगा। एंड देन आपको ये देख लो कि आपको वेंडर की क्रेडिट लिमिट कितनी सेट करनी है। हम इनिशियली $25,000 हम लेके चलते हैं। ठीक है, आप यहाँ पे कस्टमर टाइप चूज कर लो। यहाँ पे आपके पास ऑप्शन आएगा, ये हमारा रिटेल कस्टमर है, या जो भी आप अकाउंट आपके जो भी सब टाइप्स होंगे वो हम क्रिएट करेंगे। ठीक है, टैक्सेशन ये हमारा स्टेट टैक्स के ऊपर डिपेंड डिपेंड करता है कि हम स्टेट टैक्स का जो हमारा है वो क्या रेट्स में हम ले रहे हैं यूएस में। देन ओपनिंग बैलेंस हमारा 0 है, ये एज ऑन इफेक्टिव डेट हमारी, कि हम किस डेट से हमारा ये अकाउंट लेजर एप्लीकेबल होगा। एंड देन वी गोना सेव हियर, फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन सेव आवर अकाउंट। ओके, यस।
बेसिक कस्टमर को लेकर जो भी चीज़ें क्रिएट करनी होती है, मल्टीपल चीज़ें होती है उसके अंदर। एक होता है कस्टमर का रेगुलर नाम, उसके बाद होता है उसकी पेमेंट टर्म्स, उसके बाद होता है कि हम पेमेंट कैसे रिसीव करेंगे वो, उसके बाद शिपिंग वगैरह की जो डिटेल्स होती है वो अंदर क्या कहते हैं, कस्टमर की टाइप ऑफ कस्टमर, रिटेल कस्टमर है या होलसेल कस्टमर्स है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें इसके अंदर कंसिडर हो जाती हैं। इसके अंदर अलग अलग सेक्शन है। इफ यू गो विथ नेम एंड कॉन्टैक्ट, दूसरा सेक्शन आएगा
एड्रेस
एड्रेस।
का,
ओके, एंड कोई भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वगैरह है सो यू कैन अटैच हियर। और ये पेमेंट वगैरह जो भी हमको मेंशन करना है, पेमेंट मेथड को कैसे पे करते हैं वगैरह वगैरह, डिलीवरी वगैरह कैसे होती है। ओके, और क्रेडिट लिमिट वगैरह भी हमने सेट की हुई है इसके अंदर।
कुछ नहीं कर रहा।
एंड एडिशनल इन्फो, ये रिटेल कस्टमर या कोई भी सेट कर सकते हैं। एंड ये कस्टम फील्ड ऐसा होता है कि कोई अगर आपको एडिशनल फील्ड रखना है फिल्ट्रेशन के करने के लिए, तो आप इसका यूज कर सकते हो। इसका यूज करने का हम आगे जो ट्रांजेक्शन पोस्टिंग करेंगे उसके अंदर आएगा। सो इंडस्ट्रियल के कस्टमर के अंदर इतनी चीजें होती हैं जो हमें ध्यान रखनी होती है। नाम एंड कॉन्टैक्ट, एड्रेस, नोट्स, पेमेंट्स, एडिशनल इन्फो, कस्ट, ये जो है ये मेन चीज है, नाम और एड्रेस। ओके,
हमारी पूरी इनवॉइसिंग इन्हीं दोनों चीज़ों के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, जिसमें हमारा कस्टमर का नेम और कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स आएंगी, और सेकंड जो हमारा बिलिंग एड्रेस एंड शिपिंग एड्रेस होगा।
ओके, सो नाउ गो विद द नेक्स्ट।
And then the next task is update the contact information for customer Jane Smith, changing the phone number to this and this. We're gonna do this for now. The second task. So, hopefully you people understand that the first topic.
Right.
Yes.
So now we gonna add another customer. So like Jane Smith is already added in my account. So we gonna change any other name. Again, we have to create a new customer in the name of what's the second person name? Gurusha, right? So we're gonna add Gurusha here.
Yeah.
So we are taking first we are creating the name, then we're gonna edit it.
So are we doing the editing or are we just adding just the name here?
First we are adding, then we're gonna edit that. When
Okay.
the name is not applicable, then what we gonna edit? So that's why first we have to create an account, then we can make any changes in that. Got it? Gurusha Sood, we gonna add here. And then company would be, we can choose WXY. And then the email ID would be WXY kind of @wxy.com. And then the phone number, it's 123456. We can choose anything because we have to change the phone number. So rest of other informations you people aware of what we
Yeah,
gonna add,
like
what we
yeah,
gonna do,
what you have mentioned, like billing address and everything that has been mentioned.
everything.
Everything. I just want to know, like in the billing address, so it has been mentioned that the billing address and the payment address. So in the billing address, what we used to consider that uh, like
There is a once you raise any invoice for sales of goods or any service kind of, so the billing address would be the head office address if they are having two units or other things, or if they wanna do like to made any services or deliver the goods to their clients. So the initially the billing address would be the on the name of like organization, and the shipping address would be for the where we gonna make the services or where we gonna deliver our products. So
okay,
this is the thing.
okay, got it, got it.
As in India, we people used to do bill to ship to. If you are from accounting or bookkeeping things,
Mm-hmm.
so you must be aware of that.
Yeah, so I'm just asking, like, suppose in the billing address, so like as we say, suppose that if we are the like the service provider, if we are the manufacturing concern,
Okay,
so it's kind of a, like that we are into like the product-based company. So if
got
we,
it.
yeah, so if we are the product-based company, so we will bill the customer. Let's say suppose that we will bill to Rahul, right? So
Absolutely.
if we bill to the Rahul, that the Rahul would be the payable and we would be the receivable.
Rahul would be the payable and receivable. Like I have to pay.
Yeah,
Got it.
receivable means that we have to receive the money.
So from like on for whom you are raising the invoice, he
So
would be the receivable.
yeah, I would be the receivable and the Rahul would be the payable. Rahul, the
Yep.
person who have availed that services, he
Ab-
needs to pay for that.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. Got
Got it.
it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Rest other informations you people are aware.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So suppose
So we gonna
if we want to add the payment address, say suppose that what I have seen that like suppose in the payment section. So if
sorry.
we like in the payment section, if you could scroll down, like say suppose that if like Rahul wants to pay, so like the payment method, whatever the payment method that we can opt for, like it's for the UPI or anything.
No,
So
no. For US, in
Cash check
US, there is
later.
no, there is nothing like UPI.
okay,
So either it would be cash, either and the check or bank transfer.
okay,
Credit card.
That's all.
okay, got it.
So there is
और
no,
क्रेडिट कार्ड
yeah,
के अंदर
no
ऑटो पे का
of
सिस्टम रहता
UPI or
है,
anything.
सो दैट इज इनेबल ओवर देयर.
ठीक है?
Got it.
Right.
So now we gonna save it. And then the task was to edit the phone number. Give me a second. It was like that, right? So we have अभी हमको क्या करने का है, हमको contact details edit करने का है. So we can choose, like we can go to the customer section. In that we have to find the name. For which yeah, it was the name for whom we gonna do. Like we have to change the contact number, right? We can click on the name for which account we have to edit that, and in the edit section, now you will have see the edit option. Got it?
Got it.
And from here we can change the page would be, you can see the pages like the pop-up. And from here we can change the contact number to, sorry.
No, not to you. Actually, my son is asking pizza is coming or not.
Okay.
उनका एग्जाम खत्म हुआ है, सो पार्टी.
Okay, so we can change, we can save it from here.
Okay.
Hope you people will understand.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got
understood.
it. Understood.
now the third thing is delete the customer account for ABC
Delete the
Corporation. So we're gonna delete it. So we are not picking ABC Corporation. We're gonna do for something like someone else. तो अब यहाँ से हमने एक, चलो एबीसी कॉर्पोरेशंस को ही हम पकड़ लेते हैं.
Sorry to interrupt, but can we do more typical entries if everybody's okay with it? Like
Sorry.
since addition, deletion, uh, can we do more typical entries from the lot? Like,
Yeah, we are going to do, but initially you have to know the basics. That's what I'm
Uh,
trying to teach. Sorry.
एक्चुअली गुरुशा एंड अभी एक्चुअली हुआ व्हाट्स हैपनिंग कि गुरुशा आपको जो है इसकी बेसिक कल जो मैंने आपको दिया था वो ओवरऑल कस्टमर्स का जो आइडिया था कि प्रोसेस कैसा होता है वो है. एज ऑफ नाउ
right, right.
राहुल जो है वो इन डेप्थ आपको सिखा रहा है क्योंकि कुछ छोटी छोटी चीजें
Okay.
रहेगी कि वो आप मिस
ठीक है.
ना कर जाओ. दैट्स वाई.
Because
वही बस मैंने पूछा if everybody's okay with it, then only.
no.
नहीं
We are going to learn all those things in future, so don't worry about that. But you have to know the basics. One, if you're not aware about how to create the customer, how to make the payments, how to like do the adjustments, and how to do edits and all, then you people will got stuck into that. So that's what I'm trying to like make you understand.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so we gonna delete it from like for Abhishek. We can remove from here. So mark inactive.
Okay.
So we can just choose a simplest step, mark inactive.
So what is the purpose of doing like inactive? Like what is the purpose
It
of
would be the account would be deleted.
Okay, if we are marking inactive, the account would be deleted again,
Delete.
and again we have to create that,
Yeah, absolutely.
and then we have to do the
no
edit.
no sorry
No,
sorry
I
sorry
don't think
sorry to
so. It
interrupt.
can be
Sorry.
made active. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, we can make it active rather than once
Yeah.
you make delete, so that becomes inactive. And if you want that account back, then from the right top corner gear icon, you can call it back.
We can make it active also. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you will not be able to see that name over here. So if we gonna do anything, we can like reactive that account again.
So we are creating the account once again for the customer.
No. We have to just
Reactive.
reactive. That's all.
Okay. First we do the inactive, then we are doing the reactive.
Yep.
Okay.
If it is required.
Okay.
Like if in future you want to make any transactions or anything, then you have to just reactivate.
Okay. So how to do the reactivated?
Wait, like we'll and then the like create a customer group named retailed customer.
Mm-hmm.
So we gonna do that from here. What is that? Create a customer group. So we can choose from customer type. We can select new customer type. We can choose anything because retail customer is already there. So we can choose
Wholesale.
wholesale. So we gonna just save it, and then our account head is like account type is created. Okay.
Got it. Then we have to inactivate it and then reactivate it. We have to do.
Yeah, we are going to do. So just don't worry about that. Assign customer John Dio to the retail customers group.
Okay.
So we are going to assign any name.
Can we add it?
Sorry.
I'm saying that like in the new customer group, can we add it from there only? Like there is an icon for like the new customer in the previous tab. So can we?
That was for new customer.
Yeah, that's for the new customer. Okay.
Yeah, you can create over from here only.
Okay.
There are multiple ways from where you
Customer
can add
customer type.
customers. See, this is as of now Rahul is doing that is customer type. And if you want to add new customers, so there are multiple ways. The first one is from here on left top, add the customer.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Second one, when you click on this, so you are coming on this window. So
Hmm.
uh, from here also right top. Okay. And another one is
And
when you are inside the customer. Okay. Just a minute. Huh?
yeah, please.
Okay. So when you are inside the customer center, this is you are inside the customer center. So when you click on
You
this
can
plus icon, you also can create customers. Okay.
even there are yeah, you can create from all like everywhere.
Okay. There are multiple ways to create customers.
So now please so go on.
Yeah. Please go ahead, Rahul. Please.
Okay. So we have to assign our customer into the any group like wholesale or retail. We can choose from here customer type. We we can choose retail customer. We can and then after we can save it. So our customer would be added. So now ABC is our retail customer or wholesale customer. Okay, what we have chosen that from there. And then we have to create a recurring invoice for customer Jane Smith for $100 per month for website maintenance. So we are gonna do invoices. We can create an invoice from here. So we can choose a customer. We can choose anything for whom we gonna raise invoice, and then we have to put like put any mail. Got it? And we can choose from which way we can uh, like transfer or bank transfer. We can set up from here itself, or we if you want to like send it later, we can check click on that, and if you want to send it right away, we can click on that too. And then we can billing address would be the same what we have to feed in in our records. Then terms of payments, what we are going to choose, and then the due dates, this one, invoice date, and then the due dates, because it would be a recurring invoice, so you don't have to create on every month. Got it? It would be automatically raised by the system by default. Am I audible?
Yes.
So
Yes,
we can
yes, you are.
choose any of date on which date we want it to send to the customer. It will automatically create it, and it will automatically send to their mail. So we have to put the customer mail over here, and then it done. And then the service date what we gonna choose, it can be anything. And then the product or service we gonna do. So it was from website maintenance, so we are going to check it from here. And then the rates would not be gonna do, and the amount was $100. And class is for which department, we have made the website and all website maintenance. So we can choose anything from admin, taxation, accounts. So it depends on you for which department you have the task is being done. So we can choose from here. We can put the discount percent if we want to do. So we can choose from here discount percent if we want to add for 10%. We're gonna do that. If we want to add on discount on value, so we can also choose that.
What is discounted value and what is discount?
Discount percent, discount value is like if you want to discount rupees dollar $10, you want to give the discount to the customer.
Mm-hmm.
So it would be $10. It gonna it will gonna subset from here.
Okay, this is subset from us. Okay.
And if you want to made percent, so if you want to give any 20% of discount to any or anything, you
Mhm.
can choose from me.
Okay, got it. Got it.
Then the it would we can save and send. So you don't have to create on every month to the it's if it is about your rent expenses or anything, you don't have to raise on every month basis. It will automatically get deduct raise, and it will also get shared with the client. Okay, so send and close. Got it up to now?
Yeah, got it.
Over to you, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Just
Yeah.
just a minute, just a minute.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, what's happening?
So now like you have to take over.
ओके, कस्टमर का इनवॉइस आपने क्रिएट कर दिया, राइट?
हाँ
That's
जी, ये like
आपने
up to the 6 we have done,
हम्म
and then now you have to like go ahead.
ओके, बाकी के जो भी प्रोसेस, कौन सा ट्रांजेक्शन आपने किया हुआ है कस्टमर का? दैट इज 6 नंबर इज रिकरिंग ट्रांजेक्शन, राइट?
Yep.
right, right, sir.
रिकरिंग ट्रांजेक्शन कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं? जस्ट आप नॉर्मल इनवॉइस क्रिएट करते हो, वैसा आप सेटअप क्रिएट करो पहले।
So वो हमने कर लिया,
ओके,
and
सो
then like you have to take over from 7th.
7, जनरेट an invoice for customer joined by for 200 consulting services. That's the regular invoice. इसके अंदर प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज क्या है? तो कंसल्टिंग सर्विसेज। अमाउंट
Hmm.
कितना है? तो 200 है। कस्टमर कौन है? तो जॉइंड है। इनवॉइस रेगुलर है या रिकरिंग सर्विस? रेगुलर इनवॉइस। तो
सर
जॉइंड
आपने
के अंदर
सर आपने
हाँ,
ये कैसे आइडेंटिफाई किया कि सर ये रेगुलर इनवॉइस है या फिर सर रिकरिंग इनवॉइस है सर?
उसके अंदर लिखा रहता है रिकरिंग इनवॉइस, ये लिखा हुआ है।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक 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 है सर, ठीक समझिए।
ओके,
हम्म।
हाँ, तो ये कस्ट आपको रेगुलर इनवॉइस क्रिएट करना है। सो राहुल, यू कैन ओपन क्विक फाइल। ओके, और उसके अंदर जॉइंट के अंदर जाइए और आप इनवॉइस रिकॉर्ड कीजिए। And Abhishek, can you please note down all your questions whenever you come to any what we say इसके अंदर? Okay, so I'll give you the answer for all your questions. Go to the customer center, Rahul, first.
Like I've done everything, but I'm stuck with some of my tasks. I'm in office, so that's why I want you to like take over.
Okay, so you are into office now.
Sorry?
Okay, तो
Yeah.
ऑफिस के
So
काम के
that's
साथ ही ये क्लास अटेंड किया हुआ है, इज इट?
yes, sir. So it isn't that way. Like I'm working on my other laptop, and this
ओके,
is for like
ओके, सो फाइन। So Gurusha, do you know how to create invoice?
Yes.
ओके, सो आप बताइए इनवॉइस कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं, रेगुलर इनवॉइस कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं, प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं?
तो सर मैं कंट्रोल हूँ, कैसे कैसे बताऊँ? वर्बली
सॉरी,
सर, वर्बली बताऊँ या कंट्रोल लेके बताऊँ, मतलब एनी डेज?
कंट्रोल लेके आप बताइए, बिकॉज आप कैसे इनवॉइस रिकॉर्ड करते हैं मैंने भी अभी तक देखा नहीं है। दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू सी।
शेयर माय स्क्रीन।
हाँ, या प्लीज राहुल, प्लीज स्टॉप योर स्क्रीन।
okay.
What's screen visible?
Yeah, yeah.
That's perfectly visible.
We're at point number 7.
Yeah.
7? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So we've already created John. Should I create
You can
another?
choose another like customer. No worries.
Okay. Okay. Where I have selected John Doe and charging $200 for consulting services. So in production services, since I've already created consulting service, or if you have not created it, then you can add new. And here you can select service. And then here you can select the name. Category should be, since it is consultancy, so consultancy. This also I have created. And I can assign the class also. So class would be sales. Then we'll save and close. Since I have already created consulting, so I'll choose consulting here. Description would be consultancy. And rate is $200. And there's no discount to be selected, so I'll save and close. Okay. Should I continue?
Yeah, please.
Now to generate bulk invoices for 10 customers, each for $150 for subscription services.
Yeah.
Bulk invoice. Customers. Multiple customers.
Gurusha, it is bulk
Yeah.
invoice.
Bulk
Not for
invoice.
Yeah, not for multiple customers. So it should be multiple invoices.
Generate bulk invoices for 10 customers. So here multiple invoices.
Yeah.
I can select this. How much? 10. $150 for subscription services.
So what is this? Like, this is the first interface that I'm seeing right now.
Now I can select one more, Jane Smith. Subscription services. 150. Sales. I can select one more. I don't know why it's not fixed.
सिर्फ 2 है तो भी आप एक काम कीजिए, सेव करके ट्राई कीजिए, सेव हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, यू कैन चेक इट, क्योंकि इनवॉइस नंबर इज मिसिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट.
Okay. तो सर अब सेव किया तो सेव एंड क्लोज करोगे तो 2 बार हो जाएगा.
You will not get save and close option over here. You get only 3 options: save, save and send, and save and print. Okay.
Okay. Edit the invoice for John Doe to add a $50 late fee. Anybody gets it out, please interrupt me there and then. John Doe.
Like after you, I just want to do the hands-on.
Edit the invoice for John Doe to add a $50 late fee. John Doe. Edit here. Late fee. T. Sir, here it will come into sales only, the class, or should I add you as a late fee?
You can add.
You can add late fee. You can add late fee.
So, but ये 50 ads हुआ.
Yeah. It was earlier. It was for 150.
Okay, got it. Next is delete the invoice for ABC call. We'll delete it. Should I make it void or delete?
You can delete.
No. You have to always invoice void, not delete.
Void, na? Yes. Create a credit note for Jane Smith for $30 due to a service error. Credit note for Jane Smith. Can I get the option of credit limit? Choose that. Smith. Jane Smith's outstanding invoice. Sorry, $30 video service error. Website maintenance. $30. But here also the class will change, right?
Yeah, you can change the class and no, in class
Or
you
in
can't.
sales,
Yeah, you can do
should it
that.
be sale only?
Yeah,
Yep.
sale or you can say that what do you
Sales
say?
item can be.
Any kind of department.
Okay. So I have to apply also. Apply a $30 credit note to Jane Smith's outstanding invoice.
इन्वेस्ट के अंदर अलग ऑप्शंस आएंगे और क्रेडिट मेमो है उसके अंदर अलग ऑप्शन आएंगे और पेमेंट है उसके अंदर अलग ऑप्शंस आएंगे। तो हर एक में ऑप्शंस अलग आएंगे जो राइट साइड में ड्रॉप डाउन करते हैं उसके अंदर।
You can choose edit invoice in the last section. Drop down. Go to the next after edit.
Just to go here,
You from here.
edit.
Yep. Now go to the next section. Yeah. From here you can choose it.
Sorry, just a minute. Receive payment. Like this against this invoice. Yeah, this is done. Since I've already done 30, so I think that's why it is like that. So 60 is already applied. Generate a statement of account for John Doe showing a balance of $20. Statement of account for John Doe.
You can again click on customers.
Okay.
You have to not, and then go to the drop down option. Oh, yeah. After, yeah, you can create a statement from here. Yeah, that's all. That's all. You should not have, yeah. And you have to just put an email address. That's all.
Okay. So here it is. Okay. Record a payment of $200 received from John Doe.
You can just you can click from drop down option. Yeah. Receive payment option. Click on. That's all. Choose payment method. Click from
Yeah.
which way. Choose cash.
बट कैश वैसे तो गलत हो जाएगा ना, मतलब
No.
अभी के लिए कर रहे हैं तो ठीक है, बट
In future, like
कैश
so that time your bank account would be linked, no? So it would not gonna like impact on that. So you have to just choose it like from which in which bank account or you, anything like you receive the payment, and you can also choose like the payment method that it is a bank transfer or anything. You can choose from like, and for US majorly the most of the transactions are into cash or bank transfers. That's all.
Yes.
okay.
People you and they avoid
But
to use
isn't there
like
any caping regarding this much amount you cannot receive? Like
no,
in
no, no, no.
India,
In there's nothing like that in like as in Indian terms that you cannot handle more than you cannot receive more than 10,000 or something like that. But so there's nothing like that in US.
how do they
Even
curb black money?
people used to avoid card transactions and bank transactions. They only for some specific things and like some specific transactions. They otherwise the major transactions are in cash.
Apply a $200 payment from John Doe to people Invoices of underage. पूरे इसमें receive कर सकते हो.
You have to choose from here. Like it's not necessary that you have to choose the specific amount. You can look into like because it's you are practicing it, so you can choose any
Yeah.
amount.
So I can clear this one 20 and I will clear this half
Make
payment
it for
and I'll choose
120.
120.
Yeah.
Process a partial payment of $50 from James Smith. Oh my God, $50. Partial, this way I've done already.
So you can choose any other name. There's like, nothing like that. So if you can see anything like that, just
Yeah.
that's all.
Choose 150 here, 75 here.
30 or
And
35. That's all you can choose.
yeah.
But the basics are you have to put and first invoice. First you have to otherwise you'll got stuck in reconciliation.
Oh, like the FIFO method you're saying.
Yep.
First in, first out. Okay.
Absolutely. Otherwise, like, you'll got stuck in like while making reconciliations
Reconciliation,
or
right.
MIS reporting for month end.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take care. Record an advance payment of $500 from John Doe for future services. John.
There's a terminology for this transactions. This transaction, that what we are used to say
What is it
accrued.
called?
What we say?
Advance receipt from customers.
Yeah, but there's a specific name for that. It is deferred revenue.
Approved as a deferred revenue, right?
So you have not
Oh,
made
here.
any. You have not made any services, or you have not sold goods, but you got the payment from the customer
Right.
as in advance.
Right.
So it would be your liability.
So where do we get the option?
Sorry?
Selecting that. From where do we get this option?
You have to just add in you can just add just give me a second. I'm just telling you. I'm not. I don't have. Yeah, click on the customers. Just click on the
Okay.
customer. You have to just receive a payment. That's all. For any name.
Okay, got it. From John
You have to
Doe.
just click on receive payment. That's all.
Yeah, I'll receive
That would
500.
turn into advance.
Got it.
So you have to because I guess 100 was liability for him.
Yeah, I will not select any invoice. I'll just receive 500.
No. You have to just then mention it.
Achha, I have to do the net.
600.
Okay.
Then your account would be cleared, and you will receive $500 in advance.
Got it.
The basic thing is while making like any transactions in your books, you have to clear your basics as well. Otherwise, it will go it will impact on your reportings and other stuffs as well.
Like Rahul, the basic that you are saying, like basic in what context?
Like if you are receiving any amount from any customer, you have to just figure it out. There's if like it is advance or is there any outstanding for the customer, so you have to choose according to that,
Okay.
and you have to note down that like for which in which section you are receiving the payment. Like if it is in the form of advance, or if it is in the form
बोलो
of expense
Right,
or
Janelle.
anything.
ये ब्लॉक 709 अंदर डिस्पैच की रिसिप्ट नहीं आई हुई है, प्रिंट आउट नहीं आया कुछ?
Am I correct, sir?
Sorry, I'm back.
No worries. No worries.
Mutual services. So now it is reflecting negative.
What's the problem, guys?
Yes, sir.
What's the problem?
नहीं सर प्रॉब्लम नहीं है एक्चुअली वो $500 का इनवॉइस वही मैं बोल रही थी कि अब ये रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है एडवांस
Okay, that is the reason, Gurusha, we are doing in detailed transaction for the customer center. कल जो हमने किया वो ओवरऑल था. This is the detailed one.
Yeah.
Okay.
This we have not categorized it as an advance payment.
If it is in minus, it would be advance.
That I understand. But do we have to like mention it in description as well?
Yeah, you can, when like while receiving the payment, there was an option. Like as you can go through the drop down option, you get to see like once while you're receiving the payment, it was there was a description option, so you can add it over there that it is in form of advance or anything. Like just do one more thing, receive any payment from any other customer, don't worry about. Hold on,
Hmm.
hold on, drag it
Now, if I'm receiving 500,
yeah, you can like it will got in deposited to undeposited funds if it is in form of advance or anything.
okay. And where should I categorize it?
If it is in undeposited fund, if it is in like debit, then you have to figure it out, or if it is a credit, you have to figure it out. So you can just specify like, you can figure it out by yourself.
That I think but as we were discussing about whether we should write it in description as well.
Yeah,
That it
but
is
डाटा गेट पे
this
आया वो.
is what I was
uh,
asking.
it is like that option got removed from, I guess earlier it was there.
Okay.
So you can like for now you have to just uh, leave it for now. You have to keep that in your mind that we have to like we got received from this amount or something like that.
That is what I was asking.
Like, if it is in minus, then it is in advance, and if it
Advance.
uh, like in positive, so in that way you can figure it out. And same thing would be in the form of like for your vendors as well.
$3 James.
No, that was of rate, not for amount.
So quantity so I think that was
No,
15.
no, you have to just you have to not if it is in inventory form, then you have to just hit it. Otherwise, you should not have to hit it. It will manually let him like, take it by manual or automatically. To choose the payment method.
So
If you want to tag anything, you can add it from here, like for which thing you are making the payment or anything in the tag section. You can tag over here.
You're saying something about tag. Sorry, I didn't.
In the tag section, you can tag your task.
Okay.
So by that, you can easily figure it out, like for like what are the things and what are the stuffs you made, and for the like this
You,
transactions refers to.
if you don't mind, can you tell us? You can take hold of my screen.
Yeah, just go to the Mr. John Smith. I'll tell you. Just go on.
So I have to do it.
Yeah, you have to do it.
Okay. James Smith.
Yeah, just click. Yeah. Like while saving the payment, just so either go for receipt or something like that. Yeah, go to new transaction. Go for payment. Yeah. No. You have to go for receipt. In that you'll figure it out. So close it from here. Click on the customer again. Don't worry about that. Now go to receipt payment and click on anywhere. Yeah. Stuck, I guess. Just give me a second. Drop it. Just drop down. Drop down. Yeah, you can write a note over here. You were asking about like earlier, so you can write over here in the memo section. If you are receiving anything in advance or anything, you can write over here.
At the left bottom, okay?
Yep.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
No. सर आप टेक ओवर करोगे यहाँ से?
Yes, sure, I can. What are the transactions we have completed so far?
Till 18th.
18th. Okay. Please allow me to access your screen.
Hello.
Yeah, just a minute. 19th. Okay. Uh, Record a bounce check of. So, have we recorded this or not?
No.
Okay. So, for the any kind of bounce checks or everything, we have to record through journal entry. Reason behind that.
Sir,
Oh,
am I audible to you, sir?
yeah, you are.
Okay. So this is the same chart that you have shared to me on yesterday.
Which one?
Like
Yeah, the same
the
one. The same
PPT.
one. Yeah. The JPG, that PDF file, I will share customer center with you. That's the same one. Okay, so let's go with the 19th number. Record bounce check of 200 from John Doe. Okay, so whenever we have to record this transaction, we have to go with JV, means journal entries. और इसकी journal entry क्या होगी? AR debit and bank credit. Because who is the beneficiary? In this case, customer, क्योंकि उनका चेक जो है बाउंस हो चुका है. And who is the pay? मतलब किसके अकाउंट में से पैसे गए हुए हैं, सो दैट द बैंक. सो वो कोई भी इन अकाउंटिंग टर्म्स जो भी बेनिफिशियरी होता है वो डेबिट होता है कोई भी एंट्री के अंदर. आप ले लो, जैसे कि अगर आपने सेल्स किया हुआ है तो कस्टमर डेबिट होगा, सेल्स क्रेडिट होगा. बैंक में डिपॉजिट गई हुई है तो बैंक बेनिफिशियरी है तो बैंक डेबिट एंड रिस्पेक्ट के अकाउंट क्रेडिट. अगर आपने कोई फिक्स एसेट परचेज किया है तो फिक्स एसेट का अकाउंट आप क्रिएट कर दो तो फिक्स अकाउंट डेबिट, बैंक क्रेडिट. कुछ परचेस करते हो कोई भी चीज़ आप, तो परचेस करने पे अ, आपको पेमेंट मिलता, सॉरी आपको इन्वेंट्री मिलती. इन्वेंट्री इज अ काइंड ऑफ योर करंट एसेट्स. तो अगेन आप की एसेट्स डेबिट होती है और जो जिसके पास से आपने सर्विस ली हुई है उसका अकाउंट क्रेडिट होता है. ओके, सो इन दिस वे चेक हुआ है रिटर्न. तो बेनिफिशियरी जो है वो है कस्टमर. तो हम यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट कस्टमर का नाम नहीं लिख सकते, बट यू कैन सी अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल. I'm unable to operate the same.
Yeah.
ओके, और 200 का चेक है. और यहाँ पे कस्टमर का नाम आएगा. नाम क्या है? जैन स्मिथ. और दैट जॉन डॉय. ओके, और यहाँ पे आएगा बैंक अकाउंट. कौन से बैंक में से आपने किया हुआ है? सिटी बैंक. ओके, किसका चेक था? तो जॉन डॉय का. अब हमें करना क्या है कि ये ट्रांजेक्शन हमने गिवन क्लोज. अब जॉन डॉय के अंदर हम देखेंगे तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव चेक ट्रांजेक्शंस, ओके, नॉट द स्टेटमेंट। हियर यू कैन सी ये जो जर्नल एंट्री हमने रिकॉर्ड की हुई है उसका $200 है ओपन, ओके। सो और उसका पहले हमने 200 पेमेंट जो आया था, ये पेमेंट हमने उनके दो इन्वेस्ट थे उनके सामने अपने एक ही इन्वेस्ट रेस किया था। एक्चुअली हाउ टू रेस टू इन्वेसेस, बट इट्स ओके। अब ये जो पेमेंट था ये बाउंस हुआ है, राइट? करेक्ट, ये जो पेमेंट आया था यही बाउंस हुआ है। तो हम क्लिक करेंगे, उसको एडिट करेंगे, और ये पेमेंट के सामने हमने इनवॉइस सिलेक्ट किए थे, ये वाला। इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट इनवॉइस व्हाट वी हैव टू डू नाउ, वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट दैट जेवी। इससे होगा क्या कि इनवॉइस जो आपका एक्चुअल है वो ओपन हो जाएगा। इससे क्या हुआ, जो हमने जेवी रिकॉर्ड की थी दैट इज स्टेटस पेड, और 200 का जो पेमेंट था दैट इज शोइंग क्लोज, और इनवॉइस जो था एज इट इज वेर इट इज। आपने कितने पेमेंट कलेक्ट किए हुए हैं इसके सामने? ये ऑलरेडी अप्लाई
इसमें
थे
अभी तो डुअल एंट्रीज हो गई ना अभी, मतलब अभी भी किया पहले भी किया था, डुअल एंट्रीज होती गई।
ये वाला इनवॉइस जो है हमने ओपन कर दिया, ओके, ड्यू इन 10 days। तो ये इनवॉइस जो था एज इट इज ओपन हो गया। यू गॉट माई पॉइंट और नॉट? फर्स्ट हमने क्या किया, इनवॉइस रेस किया था, तो कस्टमर के पास से हमको $200 लेने के थे।
राइट
कस्टमर ने हमको $200 दिए, तो कस्टमर का अकाउंट हो
राइट।
गया नील, ओके। फिर हुआ क्या, जो $200 दिए थे वो चेक ही बाउंस हो गया,
बाउंस हो गया।
तो वापस हमको $200 लेने के हो गए,
राइट।
ओके। तो जो एक्चुअल इन्वेस्ट था वो वापस खड़ा हो जाएगा कि हाँ भाई इन्वेस्ट जो है वो पेंडिंग ही है। इसलिए हमने जो चेक बाउंस था उसकी जर्नल एंट्री डाली, और जो पेमेंट रिसीव्ड किया था उसके सामने हमने इनवॉइस असाइन किया था, उसकी जगह हमने असाइन कर दिया
जर्नल
जेवी,
एंट्री।
ये भी।
ओके। सो दैट इज द
ठीक है।
राइट वे, ओके। एंड 20 सेंड एन इनवॉइस रिमाइंडर टू जैन स्मिथ फॉर ओवरड्यू। किसी भी इनवॉइस का, जैसे मैंने कहा था कि हर एक ट्रांजेक्शन के पास यहाँ पे ना अलग अलग ऑप्शन आएंगे। जर्नल है तो उसके अंदर डुप्लीकेट का ऑप्शन आ रहा है। अगर ये पेमेंट है, टाइप ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शन पेमेंट है, तो पेमेंट के अंदर भी वॉइड डिलीट एंड व्यू एक्टिविटी आएगा। व्यू एक्टिविटी मतलब कहाँ कहाँ अप्लाई किया हुआ है अपना वो आएगा। एंड इनवॉइस है तो इस इनवॉइस के अंदर अलग अलग ऑप्शन आएंगे। उसको व्यू करना है या डुप्लीकेट करना है या भेजना है या टास्क क्रिएट करना है। टास्क क्रिएट मतलब पेमेंट रिमाइंडर अगर सेट करना हो तो, ओके। हम यहाँ से क्रिएट टास्क करेंगे। टास्क फॉर इनवॉइस नंबर असाइन टू गुरु सा, ड्यू डेट ये है, ओके। ये हम कल की डेट डाल देते हैं, चलो, ओके। और ये कर दिया सेव। तो ये आपका एक टास्क जो क्रिएट करना होता है वो हो गया। ये टास्क भी मैं बताता हूँ कहाँ से ये शो होता है, ओके। सो इनवॉइस, शेयर इनवॉइस लिंक, पेमेंट का अगर किसी से कलेक्ट करना है तो प्रिंट पैकिंग स्लिप, अगर हम डिस्पैच कर रहे हैं ऑनलाइन तो पैकिंग स्लिप जो प्रिंट करी तो वो भी प्रिंट कर सकते हो। ट्रांजेक्शन वॉइड करना वॉइड कर सकते हो, डिलीट करना डिलीट कर सकते हो। उसकी एक्टिविटी जो दिखती है पर्टिकुलर इनवॉइस की तो वो भी देख सकते हो। अब ये भी इनवॉइस है और ये भी इनवॉइस है, बट दोनों के अंदर ऑप्शन अलग अलग आ रहे हैं। यहाँ पे एडिट प्रिंट आ रहा है, यहाँ पे एडिट रिसीव पेमेंट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पेमेंट रिसीव करना है ना, इस वजह से, ओके। तो यहाँ पे एक आपका ये रहा, व्यू डुप्लीकेट सेंड रिमाइंडर। तो अभी अपना हमारा कौन सा टास्क आया हुआ है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट सेंड रिमाइंडर, राइट? इनवॉइस सेंड रिमाइंडर। तो किसी को भी अगर इनवॉइस का रिमाइंडर करना है इसके अंदर आपको रिमाइंडर नहीं मिलेगा, क्यों? क्योंकि इनवॉइस पेड हो चुका है। गॉट माय पॉइंट? और इसके अंदर आपको रिमाइंडर का ऑप्शन मिलेगा क्योंकि पेमेंट बाकी है, तो सेंड रिमाइंडर, और ये है रिमाइंडर का फॉर्मेट। जस्ट अ मिनट। Guys, allow me just 1 minute.
Sure, sir.
Can we continue for tomorrow? Like, but can we continue from here by tomorrow?
Yeah, actually. It's so
Rahul, hello.
Yeah, please.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are. Okay, go on.
Rahul, can I do from yesterday? Can I do a bit of a hands-on, like whatever the doubt that I have, like for tomorrow?
Yeah, you can go and like we'll get like flexibility. Not like, don't worry about that.
Okay. So we are concluding the session right now, right?
Yeah, I guess. Just give me a second. Let me ask you, sir.
See, so yeah, we can do it because मुझे भी ऑफिस निकलना है अभी. So this is the way we can send reminders. Okay? Send me a copy. Send me a copy करोगे तो क्या होगा कि खुद को भी कॉपी आएगी. Okay? And this यहाँ पे ये सेंड का बटन अभी इनेबल नहीं है क्योंकि इसके अंदर एक्टिव ईमेल ऑप्शन जो है सिस्टम के अंदर इनेबल नहीं है, बिकॉज वी हैव अकाउंट एंड कॉपी. गॉट इट?
Got it, sir.
ओके.
Hello.
Yeah.
So I'm asking like tomorrow, like the timing would be same, na sir?
I'll let you know about the tomorrow because the classes are not on on a daily basis. There's on alternate basis. So I'll let you know when it is. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank
Thanks for
you.
your time,
Thanks a
sir.
lot. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Yeah.